Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Have a fun one today by Luke Bryan called A Little Bit Later On. That's the song, and the dance is called A Little Bit Later On. It's real fun. It's 32 counts, 4 walls, no tags, no restarts. Are you ready? Let's go. A little bit later on. So we start with our right foot, weight on left. And we do stomp out, right, left, and then we twist our right heel in and our left heel in. So I had never done that before either, but it's fun. So smile, have fun with Luke Bryan. So we go right, left heel, then back together, right, left. Okay, let's try that from the top. So we're going to stomp, right heel, right, left, together. Okay, here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6. Good? One more time from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right heel, right, left. And then we do little heel toes. We're moving to the right, and we start with our feet together, and we move our heels to the right first. Heel, toe, heel. Okay? So we just brought them together. Heel, toe, heel. So this is the heels and then the heel, toe, heel. So we start with stomp, right heel, right, together, heel, toe, heel. Fun, huh? It's fun. Okay, so I'll count it for you now. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good? One more time. The heels and then the heel, toe, heel. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Fun, fun, fun. And then we'll move on. So that's the first 8. One more time, and then we'll move on to the second 8. So the first 8 is the from the top. Ready? And right, heel, right, left, together, heel, toe, heel. That's the first 8. Second 8 is a rolling grapevine. So a grapevine goes, we're going to the left now. We just went to the right with the heel, toe, heel. Now we're going to go left. So rolling grapevine, we're going to start with our left foot. So a grapevine is just a step behind, step, touch. So you have the option of just doing a grapevine, or you can do a rolling grapevine, and that's fun. It's just a turn. Same steps, right? So it's either step behind, step, touch, or step, touch. So it's 4 counts. So we just did our heel, toe, heels to the right, heel, toe, heel. Now we're going to turn to the left, right, left, touch. It's a full turn to the left with 3 steps ending with a touch. Okay, one more time. Let's put those together. So we're going to start from the top, and we're going to do the step, heel, and heel, and. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, heel, and right, left, heel, toe, heel. Turn, left, right, left, touch. Okay, one more time, then we'll move on. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the last 4 counts, it's called a Monterey. And that's a fancy name for this turn, and it's fun, and it is in, I would say, quite a few country line dances. So it's just a point to the side with the right foot. Well, you can, I don't know if you can do it on your left, but we're going to do it on our right. So we're going to point to the side, but when we slide the right leg back in, we're going to do a quarter turn. To me, it kind of looks a little military, right? Looks a little military-ish. I like it. So right touch, bring it in. Okay, one more time. So to the side, but when you bring it in, you turn a quarter towards that side and bring your leg in. So turn. And then the second part of the Monterey is easier. You just step, point it, and bring it in. So the first one is to the side and a turn. The second, sorry, let me just do it. So we do rolling grapevine. We point to the side, bring it in, side, bring it in. Okay, so side, bring it in, side, bring it in, side, bring it in, side, side, turn, side, side, turn, side, side, slide it together. It's called a Monterey. Cute, huh? It's very cute. So side, little turn, side, slide together, side, slide together, side, slide together. Okay, so we're going to do one of those. So it's going to look like this. We're going to turn to the left, first with the rolling grapevine or the option of a regular grapevine. So left, right, left, touch, Monterey. Cute. Okay, let's put the first 2 8s together. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, heel and right, left, together, heel, toe, heel, turn, right, left, touch, Monterey, turn. It's a 4 counts. So now I'll count it for you. First 2 8s counted. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So we did a rolling grapevine and a Monterey. Awesome. Okay, the next part, the next 8, and we do it twice, yay, is a rock forward with the right foot, because you just did your turn and your left foot goes out, and then you put your weight on your left foot when you bring it in. So now we're going to do a rock with the right foot going forward, rock, recover, and then we do an and step, which is it's quicker, and heel. So we rock forward, back, touch the right, put your weight on the right, and put your heel out. And it's faster, so it's 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. So let's try it one more time. So we're going to go forward, rock, recover, and heel goes out. Rock, recover, and heel goes out. And then we add 2 claps, so that's fun. So we rock, recover, and heel, clap, clap, and rock, recover, and heel, clap, clap. So it's and, some and counts. 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Good, good. So we just did the rolling grapevine, the Monterey. Then we do the rocks and the heels and the claps. So 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And the great thing about YouTube is you can stop and start and rewind and go over the steps that need a little more practice than other ones. Some do, some don't. So some come easily for some people and some don't. So we're all different. But the most important thing is to have fun, enjoy the music, and it's great for your memory to remember all these different steps and all these different dances. So you're always training your brain to learn something new. Really good for us, very healthy. So let's try it through the heels and the claps. 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, heel and right, left, heel, toe, heel, left, right, left, touch Monterey, right, together, left, together, rock, and heel, clap, clap, and rock, and heel, clap, clap. Okay, one more time. From the top, let's try counts this time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Awesome. One more time with counts. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. So we have to do one more and at the end of that. So it's 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and. So the last 8 start with the and step right, just 2 walks, right, left, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step. Yeah, cool. So we just did our rock, and heel, clap, clap, and rock, and heel, clap, clap, and walk, walk, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step. And we're on our new wall, our 9 o'clock wall. It's our new wall. Fun, fun. Okay, let's try it. Let's put it all together. Here we go. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, step, step, heel, and step. Together, heel, toe, heel, turning grapevine, Monterey, rock, and heel, clap, clap, and rock, and heel, clap, clap, and walk, walk, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step. Now let's try it on this wall, our new wall, our 9 o'clock wall, which is actually our second wall. So let's practice on this wall. So we just did our walk, walk, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step. Right foot's ready to start from the top with the heel in the heel. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8, and walk, walk, triple step, pivot, turn, new wall. Okay, let's try it on this wall. From the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, step, heel, and step together. Heel, toe, heel, turn. 2, 3, Monterey. Side, together, side. And rock, and heel, clap, clap, and rock. And heel, clap, clap, and walk, walk. Triple step, pivot, turn, triple step. New wall. Let's try it on this wall. And then let's try it with music. And remember, you can stop and restart and go over it. But most important, have fun. So from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8, left, heel and step. Together, heel, toe, heel. Turning grapevine, 2, 3, 4. Monterey. And step, and heel, and rock, and heel, and walk, walk, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step. We're back home. Okay, one more time on this wall, and then we will try it with music. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, and 7, and 8. And walk, walk, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step. Okay. I think we're ready to try it with some music. So we're going to try it with A Little Bit Later On by Luke Bryan. Here we go. Luke Bryan. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and step. Heel, toe, heel, turn. Monterey. Rock and heel and rock and heel and walk, walk. Triple step, pivot, turn, triple. Start again. Right, left, heel and step. Together. Heel, toe, heel, turn. Monterey. And rock and heel and rock and heel and walk, walk, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step. Start. Heel and step. Heel, toe, heel, turn. Great. Monterey. Rock and heel and rock and heel and walk, walk, pivot, pivot. Right, left, heel and right, left, heel, toe, heel, turn. Monterey. Rock and heel, clap, clap, and rock. And heel, clap, clap, and walk. Walk, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step. Right, left, heel and right, left, heel, toe, heel, turn. Monterey. Rock and heel and rock and heel and walk, walk, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step. Right, left, heel and right, left, heel, toe, heel, turn. Monterey. And rock and heel and rock and heel and walk, walk, triple step, pivot, turn, triple step. Fun. Okay. A little bit later on. Too fun. Luke Bryan, too fun. Okay, so that's A Little Bit Later On to the song A Little Bit Later On by Luke Bryan, 32 Counts, 4 Walls. Enjoy, hit subscribe, have fun, come back. I have more dances coming up. Enjoy. Bye-bye.